On this machine with the Mazatrol SmoothG CNC, we're gonna see how to diagnose user alarm. Let's go to diagnosis, and we don't have any alarm now, but if you go to alarm history, we'll see we have the user alarm 354, which is the Coil F154. The user alarm are from the 200 number, so for the alarm 200 you will have to look for the F0 coil in the PLC. Let's go to version, ladder monitor. Remember, every time you enter the ladder monitor you have to go back to this menu or this screen and press N. If you don't, you will hide this application on the back, and then if you try to enter again following these steps, you are not going to be able to open the application because it hasn't been closed. So now we have the ladder option enabled, but if you don't, you have to press NC file to open the PLC embedded project that is on the CNC, and then work with the application here on the HMI. So let's open the ladder. Let's show the comments, comment on that. Okay, and let's go back and find a coil, which is the F154 for the alarm 354 input. It's asking me to keep looking on the logic. Here is the alarm. Let's go back and get rid of the menu. And as you see, this alarm is, the setup key is pretty simple. I'm gonna turn it off, and if I let the setup key on, and if I had this condition, it's gonna trigger the alarm. And this is the branch where the alarm is retained until you press reset or delete the condition. So let's leave the key enough, and some alarms or some logic might have, like in this case, this alarm F100, the alarm 357, the coil F157. It has an option, or it's enabled through a bit on a parameter, PLC parameter. So to enable this parameter, you need to set on the parameter screen the RB17.3, and this is a parameter that doesn't require the privilege mode, but some of them need to enter the password to access the privilege mode. Then once you modify the parameters, you need to power cycle the machine. So let's leave it there, and you'll see how to access it if you, by any chance, you leave the PLC open, how to access again to the ladder if you don't have the option through the ladder monitor. So let's go back just here. You don't see the ladder software open, that's behind in the background. So let's go to the parameter, press etc. Parameter setting assist, and then you have PLC parameter, and then you have RB17.3 we set. You see, it haven't requested me to access in privilege mode, or actually it's allowing me to modify the bit. So this is the bit. I should have to power cycle the machine in order to get the changes. And the other comment is that if I try to modify RB67 through 88, I won't be able to do it because these are critical parameters and I need to enter the privilege mode that you might see in another video. So these parameters are on the electrical diagram on the very first pages, so you can see the meaning of these parameters there. So let's get rid of, and let's try to go back to the ladder monitor. And you see I cannot open the ladder monitor because I let it open. Let's scroll the Windows menu and go to settings and press keyboard. And now I'm gonna press Ctrl Alt Escape, and you will see now the window that is right here. Let's close this, and as you see, the bit hasn't changed, but it's because I had to reboot the machine. Okay, let's go back from here and close the app, and that's it. Thank you.